Avoiding pitfalls. Mastering subordinating conjunctions in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to tackle a common pitfall in English language learning. Misusing subordinating conjunctions, specifically, the issue of using these conjunctions in incomplete sentences. By the end of this video, you should be well on your way to mastering this important topic. Before diving into the common errors, let's first understand what subordinating conjunctions are. Subordinating conjunctions are words that link a dependent clause, also known as a subordinate clause, to an independent clause. Some common examples include although, because, if, until, and while. The key point here is that these conjunctions add additional information and context to your sentences. A crucial step to avoid misuse is recognizing what constitutes an incomplete sentence. An incomplete sentence, often called a sentence fragment, lacks one or more of the basic components of a sentence, such as a subject, verb, or complete thought. For instance, because I was tired. This sentence is incomplete because, despite having a subject and verb, it doesn't express a complete thought. One common error is creating sentence fragments by not attaching the dependent clause to an independent clause. Remember, a dependent clause cannot stand alone. It needs an independent clause to make sense. For example, although he was late. This is a fragment. A complete sentence would be, although he was late, he still managed to catch the train. To avoid incomplete sentences, make sure that every subordinating conjunction is followed by a complete clause. A complete clause will contain at least a subject and a verb and express a complete thought when it is an independent clause. If it's a dependent clause, make sure to connect it to an independent clause. Here's an example of a correct sentence. If you visit New York, make sure to see the Statue of Liberty. That's all for today, folks. We've covered subordinating conjunctions, recognized incomplete sentences, learned about common mistakes, and finally, how to avoid these mistakes. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing your use of subordinating conjunctions and soon, you'll be a pro. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of English. Happy learning!